Okay. Third straight time. I think he's right here. Apparently not. Aha! Okay, so hopefully we are going to finish. No, not hopefully, we are going to finish. And if we don't, well, that's too bad, because I know we are. Oh, goody. Set up a lot like the gym. So, first of all, go back. No. Oh, what? There we go. Alrighty, there's a scroll that's behind this thing. Why can't you just hit that one? Oh, that's for an item. Are you figuring out what that? Oh man, I guess I'm gonna have to fight this guy. Bummer. Swabbly. Ooh, level 38. That's looking good, actually. The levels are getting better now. Oh, what? I didn't kill it? Well, that's no. Oh, of course, you know, rangers are full restore healers as well. Not only cool trainers are, but rangers. Nah, see, why didn't that happen the first time? You could have avoided a mirror move, and you didn't. You chose not to. Let's take this down easy. Blaze kick. I don't think I still got one fire type move on hand. Because if I didn't, I would get in trouble. Ooh. Love that. What am I going to do now? I have to switch somebody else to the front like Croat. I'll do that. Wait. Yes. There we go. That's better. Okay, we got one more trainer, hopefully. There better not be another trainer after this one. Do you have anything? Yes, Hackman. I can actually kill that in one hit with a sludge bomb. Haha. Well, at least poison does affect one thing. It's like poison never even affects anything except grass, but there really aren't that many pure grass type in the entire game. I mean, yeah, there are people like Sceptile, Shiftry, but when you think about them, most of the time, when somebody says grass, I think of stuff like Vileplume, I think of Victory Bell, I think of Venusaur, which are also poison type. Oh, we got another one to fight. Oh well, at least we got this right now. At least I figured this out pretty easy. I couldn't get around this guy. Oh, he's got bird Pokemon. I don't have my electric type user with me, so you're lucky this time. I'll let you off with a warning. But I'm still gonna have to hurt you. Darn it. Oh. Come on, little Carter. Ah. Exactly. Oh, that dog. Alright. At least I know how to take care of these things from the gym. Because I tell you, usually that Exactune and Claydol pose even more of a threat than the last two do. Oh well. I don't know why they made them have that, but I want to keep that dog out, actually. Shadow Ball again? Maybe? Alright, what time are we on? Mist? Ha, he blew it. Alright. There we go. Oh, magnet. Is it the last one, or is there one more? I think there's one more. Yep, there's one more, I believe. Gave me, what did it give me? A magnet, didn't it? Yeah, magnet. Alright. We got one more. Let's hurry up and do this thing. Come on. I think the last one is right. Nope. Yep, right there. Alright, so is this the gold sliding one? Oh, nope. Oh, man. I really don't feel like doing this right now. Besides, I only got 7 minutes of tape left anyway. What should I do? Shoot. Funny thing to me, I try to make a short video for some reason because my camera can only take so many minutes at a time, and I kind of ran out. So I think I'm gonna just do that off screen. So I got what, 10 seconds left? Yeah. Alright, so I will see everybody next time. When we go where? Oh yeah, I know, Victory Road.